Happy Monday, everyone. Brent Tallman here with Fairway Independent Mortgage with the mortgage market update for April 17th. We'll just get right to it. Unfortunately, not the best news on the rate front. All rates are higher from last week across the board. Conventional rate average right now is 6.50. That's up by 0.16 from last week. FHA stands at 6.10. That's up by 0.22 last week. VA's at 6.09. That's up by 0.14 from last week. And the main driver of this is the inflation. As long as inflation continues to rise, mortgage rates will not go down. That's really the bottom line. The CPI index came out really about what was expected, actually slightly a little bit lower, but when they dug into it, looked at the core value or the core of what was causing that inflation, it actually rose. And so the sentiment and the belief is that the feds are going to have to remain hawkish in their approach to interest rates. They're going to continue to raise interest rates. And even though they don't have a direct impact on mortgage rates, they do indirectly impact mortgage rates through investors and through the bond market. And so as long as the sentiment and the belief is that the feds are going to have to continue to raise rates, rates will remain high, they'll remain elevated, they'll remain where they are. And so the good news on that is that the expectation and the forecast is come May that we're going to see a change. We're going to see a dip, that those inflation numbers are going to be a lot lower. And that's expected through May and June and July. And so with that being said, now really is a great time to buy, because if indeed the forecasters are correct, that May we see a dip in the rates, and we see it in June, we see it in July, guess what's going to happen to the buyer pool? It's just going to greatly increase. And so less chance for you to get seller concessions, less chance for you to get price reductions, and less chance for you to get a home. So get it a home. And what we need to focus on as leaders is not necessarily rate and payment. Yes, that's important. But what's more important than that is the value that you get from home ownership. Not just financially, but mentally, emotionally, the stability you get from owning a home, from being part of a community. It's a huge asset, not just terms financially, but emotionally and mentally, and being part of a community as well. And that's what we need to sell. We need to sell the value and the benefit and the investment of being homeowners. And if you can do that, you're going to help your clients be successful. And you're going to leave them in a much, much better place, for not only for them, but for their family and for years to come. And so there's not a lot of news coming this week, economic news that's going to impact the mortgage rates. So hopefully we can get some easiness, some steadfastness, and not so much up and down. And we'll just hope for May that the numbers are good. And with that being said, we have some growth and connection opportunities. One of the big ones coming is actually next Tuesday, April 25th. We have Habib from MBS Highway. He is one of the most recognized mortgage and home experts in the industry in this country. And so he's doing a free webinar for Fairway. I'm going to put the registration link in the email. So click on that. You're more than welcome to sign up. It's at 1:30 Tuesday, April 25th. Get online. You're going to learn so much, and it's information you'll be able to share with your clients and investors. Also, this coming Tuesday, April 20th, in DeLand at Da Vinci's, we're going to have our next Realtor Happy Hour. It's just a great time to connect, see each other in a friendly space, and just to get to know each other. Please come on board, come on down. And if you live in Orlando or Seminole County, go to DeLand. It really is an amazing place down there, and just come and be a part of that. So you are welcome to join us there and bring a partner with you. And then I also in the link, I want you to join Team 7230 for the 3rd annual AWI. That's American Warrior Initiative. That is one of the nonprofits that Fairway funds. We raise service dogs for veterans, and we do so much more than that, but it's a great way to give back to those that have fought for our freedom. We know that freedom's not free, and so I'm asking you to sign up. It's a 5K walk or run, and you can do it from April to July, but sign up, get on Team 7230, get one of these awesome shirts, and support a great cause, and just a great way to give back to the community. And with that being said, remember, now is always the great time to buy. Take care. Have a great day.